I'm now very upset with fans nowadays. Sometimes they ship the wrong characters. I am begging you, please stop. Oh my sheesh. Like, how in the world you ship like Messi X a minor, like Gordy, for example? Shipping minors are okay with minors only. With adults, I never accept it. It's like Y minor Y X minor CEO. It's literally so disturbing that how in the world people love this. I tried to explain why people is very upset with this. Please stop being upset, or else this will be more spreading. Yes, I